Hey everyone! If you love cooking but hate spending hours prepping, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you the best mat food processors, from compact choppers to full-size processors that make meal prep fast, easy, and stylish. Let's dive in. Number 1, KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. First up, the KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper in matte black. This little powerhouse is perfect for small kitchens. I love how it fits right on the counter but still chops, mixes, and purees like a pro. With 2 speeds and a pulse option, you get full control whether it's chunky salsa or smooth hummus. Cleanup? A breeze, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and the built-in cord wrap. Pros: compact design, easy to clean, strong performance, drizzle basin. Cons: small capacity, plastic bowl may wear over time. If you want a stylish, space-saving food chopper for everyday use, this KitchenAid model is a smart pick. Number 2, KitchenAid 5 Cup Food Chopper. Next is the KitchenAid 5 Cup Food Chopper. Slightly bigger, slightly more power, perfect for small batch prepping. The 240-watt motor handles everything from onions to whipping cream. I also love the drizzle basin for smooth sauces, and cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, it's lightweight and stores neatly. Pros: compact and powerful, easy to clean, includes whisk accessory, smart cord storage. Cons: not ideal for large portions, plastic bowl can stain. A stylish, efficient mini chopper that makes everyday cooking faster and simpler, a must-have for busy kitchens. Number 3, KitchenAid 13 Cup Food Processor. For those cooking for a family, the KitchenAid 13 Cup Food Processor is a game changer. Its 500-watt motor tackles chopping, slicing, shredding, and even kneading dough. The 13-cup capacity is perfect for big meals, and the adjustable slicing disc gives you versatility. I also love the twist-free assembly and in-bowl storage. Everything stays organized, and cleanup is simple. Pros: powerful motor, large capacity, easy to clean, smart in-bowl storage. Cons: a bit bulky, slightly heavy. Overall, this food processor delivers top-notch performance and versatility, a reliable choice for anyone who loves cooking and wants to save time in the kitchen. Number 4, KitchenAid 7 Cup Food Processor. Number 4, the KitchenAid 7 Cup Food Processor in matte black. It's compact, stylish, and easy to use. The twist-free bowl and latched lid make assembly simple, and with 3 speed options plus dishwasher-safe parts, chopping, slicing, and shredding is effortless. The sealed, leak-resistant bowl is perfect for keeping your counter mess-free. Pros: compact design, easy to clean, multiple speeds, in-bowl accessory storage. Cons: limited 270-watt motor, short 90-day warranty. Overall, it's a dependable and space-saving food processor, ideal for everyday cooking tasks. A great value pick for small kitchens. Number 5, KitchenAid KFC 3516ER 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. Finally, the KitchenAid KFC 3516ER 3.5 Cup Food Chopper in Empire Red. If you're short on space, this compact chopper is perfect. Its 240-watt motor handles chopping, blending, and pureeing easily. 2 speeds plus pulse give precision control, and the stainless steel blade locks in place for mess-free pouring. The stylish design and drizzle basin make prep simple, and cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. Pros: compact size, easy to clean, precise chopping, stylish design. Cons: small capacity, plastic body, limited for heavy-duty prep. Overall, it's perfect for small kitchens and everyday meal prep. So there you have it, 5 of the best mat food processors. Whether you need a compact chopper for everyday meals or a large processor for family cooking, these KitchenAid models have you covered. Which one fits your kitchen style? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips. Press the bell icon